In this video, I show you how to fix camera green screen problem on mobile phone. For fixing this problem, go to settings, then go to apps, then go to see all apps, scroll down, find out camera app, click on camera app, click on force stop, click on OK. Now click on storage and cache, clear the storage, then delete. Now restart your phone. After restart your phone, now open your camera app. Now I hope that this method fix camera green screen problem on mobile phone. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to subscribe.